back to my channel. So today I have a really quick gift guide for you guys. I have a few categories that I've split the gift guide into. So first category is for those people in your life who are into homeware and maybe like to lounge about a little bit. The second category is for those who are into fitness or like to do a bit of sports from now and then. And the third category is for that girl who maybe enjoys doing something with her hair or is usually somebody who's a bit of a beauty guru. So hopefully these categories will help you for those people in your life that you're not really sure what to buy, who has everything but you want something different. I'll leave all the links, as much of the links as I can, in the description box, so remember to check that out at the end of the video. But without further ado, let's get started with this year's Christmas gift guide. So the first gift idea is something that's really classic, and of course it's a pair of slippers. And I've seen these like slippers feature in a lot of gift guides, but these ones are quite special, I'd say. These are from an independent brand, independent company, and they are called Oni. I really don't know how to say that. I'm so sorry if I butchered that, but that's the brand. These slippers are amazing. They're 100% sheepskin, as you can see on the inside. They are so like gorgeous. They're lovely. They're really beautifully made, as you can see. They're actually handmade as well, which means they're so unique. Every slipper is very different, very unique. So yeah, I saw these on Instagram and I thought I'd buy some because I really need some warm slippers now that I live here in lovely Scotland, which is absolutely freezing half the time. So they are within budget. They're actually, these ones are £20. This is from the Lucky Dip selection. So the Lucky Dip ones are £20 at the moment. So I'll put a link in the down bar for you guys. But yeah, they're beautifully made and they're so cozy. You can never go wrong with this kind of gift. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking for something just a little bit different. But yeah, so slippers, pick up a pair for the girl in your life who loves to lounge. So the second gift idea is another obvious one, which is actually a pair of pajamas, because why not? We all need pajamas, especially the year that we've had. This is a pair from Classic M&S. I feel like they do the best pajamas, to be honest. I have a pair of these in blue with like stars all over it, which is so nice, so lovely. So my favourite type are the fleece material pajamas, because I feel like they're the comfiest, they're the coziest, they keep me so warm at night. So this year, these are this year's Christmas pajamas for me. These are a classic plaid style pajama. Like, I feel like it's so classic. And yeah, like I'm really excited to wear these because Christmas Day, just chilling, looking the part. These with my slippers are just gonna look great. It'll be so comfy, so cozy, easy to eat. Yeah, it'll be awesome. I think these are actually only £15, so I think that's such a great bargain. And they're fleece, they're cozy, they'll last you a long time. So I'd say definitely pick up a pair of these for your mum, your girlfriend, your sister. So I guess the theme here is quite classic. There's a lot of gifts in here that are quite typical in a way, but I guess it's just giving you a lot of options. So the next thing I have here for the homeware category is of course a candle, because we're all basic and everybody loves a good candle. So this one I have for you is again from an independent seller. This person sells on Etsy, and yeah, I just thought I'd give it a try because I was looking for a new candle to kind of spice up my, I guess, my rooms, etc. So this one is actually one called Bonfire Night. I don't know if you can see that. But this one is great because this is a soy candle. I'm going to put it out there and say this is an awesome dupe for Jo Malone's Pomegranate Noir. Pomegranate Noir is one of my favourite fragrances ever, but if you know how expensive the candles are, then you know they're expensive. And for the price that you pay for the travel one, I think is double this. So if you're looking for a dupe for Pomegranate Noir, this is it. This is literally, I didn't even know it would smell like that, but it smells exactly like Pomegranate Noir, I'm telling you now. So definitely pick this up, okay? I'm going to put a link in the down bar for you guys to pick this up if you are looking for a dupe. Like, honestly, you would save so much money just having this instead. So yeah, go and support an independent seller. We know this is definitely the year to do that, so just go and support them. The next gift idea is quite simple. It's just a little cute headband. I have one here which is from H&M. I got this actually last year, but this style of headband is still like in style. It's still on trend. You could probably find so many of these in like every high street shop at the moment. Zara probably does a lot as well. A really nice wine Christmas colour. Like this reminds me so much of winter. This is one of my favourite colours actually. I feel like it looks really great against my skin tone. A journal, because we love journals, and this is actually my personal journal. As you can see, I've filled it out this year. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Had a lot to talk about this year, as you know, with COVID and all that. Just a lot of stuff to write down my thoughts. But again, for that person who likes to be indoors or is a bit creative or a little bit artsy, a journal like this is so easy to pick up and just, I don't know, like just to help somebody write down their thoughts. If they like to write, then it helps them with that. If they're somebody who plans, or they've got a lot that's going on, then this kind of thing is just, you know, it's a lifesaver, honestly, to be able to have something like this on hand. And yeah, I think we should bring back the art of like handwriting and calligraphy, because it's a lost art, to be honest, in a world of technology. It's so nice to sit down and just write your thoughts for once. So I actually go with the brand Stationery Island. So again, I'll put the links in down bar. They have so many colours, but you know, red, Christmas, you see a theme here. So this is my last pick for my homeware category, so to speak, and it's a whiteboard. So I'm a very busy person. Obviously I have a job right now. I'm a coordinator, so I have to manage teams, I have to manage projects, and this thing is amazing. I can write all my projects on here, put them in like little columns, tick off what I've done, cross out what I need to do. I've even got a little grocery list here of what I need to pick up, etc., and just everything else. This is just a Bible study that I did the other day that I've put on my whiteboard so I can see it when I look at the wall. But like one this size, I think this was £12 from WH Smith. Like honestly, the best thing I've bought all year, I'd say. For me as a coordinator, this is just life. So yeah, if you've got somebody that's literally like a workaholic and they just have so many things going on, get them one of these sturdy guys, put it on their wall, and you're good to go. Here in the UK, the weather gets really cold at this time of year, so having something like this, a waterproof, rainproof, windproof jacket, is a must, especially if you have somebody in your family who likes to run. So I picked this one up from M&M Direct. They have really good discounts on designer brands and like sportswear brands. So this one's actually from Puma. So it's a really basic black windproof jacket. I've worn this a few times, and honestly I wear it to warm up when I'm going to the gym, but this does everything. It's so lightweight, like you can see, you can just throw it around your waist or put it in your bag. For that person who's seriously into sports, they'll probably thank you, because if it starts to pour with rain, as it does here in Scotland, then they're not going to get caught out. So pick up a nice, light, rainproof, windproof, waterproof jacket, and I think that person will love you forever. The next thing in this category is a little bit controversial and it's way over budget, but I just had to include it because honestly I'm obsessed. So I usually buy protein from the Protein Works, and I saw this item on the website a couple of months ago, and I thought I'd try it, and since then I've just been like obsessed. So basically it's this, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like an energy supplement. So for those hardcore gym bunnies like me, this takes your performance to another level. They're not sponsoring this video, by the way, but I just had to mention it. So if you know somebody who likes going to the gym, who wants to up their performance, or if you're somebody that does exams and just needs a little bit of like a kick, so much better than those like rubbish energy drinks. Like it does way more, it lasts longer, you don't get a sugar like crash. Pick this up. At the moment I think it's on offer for like £27. Slightly over budget, but it's totally worth it. So if you can get it in maybe the next like, I don't know, 2 weeks, then yeah, get it, because it's usually like £40. The last thing is category, something I wouldn't normally like promote because I feel like it's cheating, but I don't know, you know, we're all going to be going into Christmas soon. I think a lot of people will probably get a bit of a belly. A lot of people may just want to like sit around for a long time. So if you can get something to do the work for you, then I guess it's not such a bad thing, right? Basically, I've got myself this little toning kit, as you can see here. So as you can see, like, it's a toning kit for your abs. If that person's just looking to get a little bit more definition, then this kind of like gimmicky thing is okay, I think. A little controversial, I wouldn't normally like say gets this stuff, I would say just do it properly, go to the gym and actually build up proper strength. But if you just want a bit of definition, it's a little bit of fun, why not? Okay, so there's another gift for you. This is, I believe this was £20, so right on budget. So yeah, if you just want something that's a little bit gimmicky for that fitness like gym bunny, then throw that in the bag and see how they get on with that. Really random category. I didn't really know how to categorize these two because they don't really fit, but I just wanted to put them in a category anyway, so that's what I decided. So the first one that I want to talk about is actually skincare, and especially for someone like me who's nearer to 30 than 20 right now, which is so crazy. Skincare has become a massive like thing that I want to invest in the next couple of years. So if there's somebody in your life that maybe just wants to get into skincare, who is at this kind of age, 20, 30, who wants to just kind of like invest a little, these are not like expensive at all considering what's out there on the market. So I'd say they can look into a brand called Typology. This is from a brand called Typology, and they have a load of different products that they sell. So this is a great aesthetic, like if you're that person that just likes things looking pretty and like aesthetically pleasing, the packaging is just pleasing. Anyway, I love this kind of glass like minimal design. I love this kind of thing. It's very millennial. What you can do is basically do like a profile of like problem areas. If you've got combination skin, acne skin, dry skin, you do that, and then they actually give you recommendations on what products you can actually pick up from the range. Each of these are, I'd say, roughly in the region of, I'd say like 10, 12 to like 20, 22, 23 pounds, I'd say. So each one is on budget, I guess, if you get one, but again, like, it's good to kind of try them out. Okay, and lastly, I just wanted to talk about hair stuff. So this is more for like natural girls, like girls with like natural hair, afros. I think that these two gifts are really easy to pick up online, and they're super affordable, which is great for our budget. So the first thing is a satin bonnet. And I feel like every natural girl has one of these. I feel like every natural girl has one of these lying around in their house right now. I definitely feel like this year has been a year where so many people have invested in a satin bonnet. I think this literally cost me like a £5. They're so cheap, they're so unaffordable. Something I absolutely love, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but a little turban. I love this one. This one is from independent seller. Again, I'm really trying to promote independent selling here this year because obviously businesses have been hit hard this year. So big up independent sellers and business owners and little shops and etc and stuff like that. Etsy has just been a great place to shop this year. But this is from an Etsy seller, and she sells like turbans, like pre-tied turbans, so you don't undo this, it's just like it comes like this. And I love this kind of thing because it's so like colourful, it's got a bit of a like African print, which is so pretty, and I think that they jazz up like outfits. I love walking around in like a turban when I go out, when I just haven't really done my hair properly and it looks a bit of a mess. Throw this on and it just looks like I'm put together. And just like the satin bonnet, I feel like this was only a £5, or no, I wouldn't say more than £10. I think they're very affordable. I believe that's it. That's the end of my Christmas gift guide. I can't believe I'm done. That feels like it's just flown by. But I hope that I've given you some unique and different gifts. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for watching, and I definitely appreciate if you subscribe. And if I don't speak to you guys before Christmas, then have a great Christmas and have a great New Year as well. All the best, God bless, and I will speak to you in another video. Bye!